Hello, BCom students. So, last time we have seen some programs on IO functions. Okay, so after this unit, we are able to write the programs. Okay, just learn the syntaxes. Okay, so from today onwards, we'll have syntax. Syntax means it is like a formula. Okay, there are syntax and rules, semantics, nothing but rules in particular language. So C language is also having some syntax and semantics. Okay, so those syntaxes are helpful in writing the program. Okay, right. So after end of the first unit, you are able to write the programs directly. So we require operators, we require data types, variables, topic, and the tokens. After these three topics, okay, directly you can write the programs. Right, the C language has some programming rules, some basic rules, and it is having syntax. Syntax means printf. How to use printf is a syntax. Printf control string, okay. Scanf control string, comma, variable 1, variable 2. Like we have syntax. So please see the last topic. See here. So syntax will be there for printf. Syntax will be there for scanf, get care, put care. Okay. So syntaxes are different. Here we are going to discuss rules. Syntax will be discussed with the topic itself. While observing the program, first carefully watch some program. Any program you take, okay. For example, printer scanf demo. So first line I have comments, next line I have link, then main function and printf scanf. Okay, this is first program. So while observing here, right here brackets are being used. How many type of brackets? Round brackets, flower brackets. So function called round brackets, printf round brackets. And while observing each line in main, before main there is no semicolon. Each line is having a semicolon. Means end of the line. It means open brace, close brace. So these 5 lines belong to main function. Okay, so first line, end of comment, start of comment, end of comment, start, end. Okay, and while observing lowercase letters, all the letters are in small case. 99% C language uses small case English letters. Okay, so there is a space between int number, there is a space between int main. Okay, so indentation, space, right, should be used. Okay, so flower braces, and these are angular brackets, less than greater symbol are called angular braces. Okay, so like we observe one more program. Okay, this is one more program, get as put. Here also you can observe same thing, brackets, here square brackets, flower brackets, round brackets. Round brackets for function call, square brackets for size, flower braces for block of statements, and every line ends with semicolon. And see here also we have main function. Okay, so in two programs we could find the main function, main. First program, second program also we are finding main. So why we should use main? Okay, so like there is a certain rule. Okay, so like these rules you have to by heart or you have to learn. Okay, so C language syntax rules. Why we have to learn how to form statements in C program, how to write the coding, how to write the instructions. The main intention behind the language is to make the computer to work. Okay, yesterday I discussed ATM example. ATM, if you want to do transactions, money transactions with a machine, okay, you should use certain programs are there in the background, so that you are going to do the transactions. So with the C you can write that kind of programs. So how should the line of code start, where the line should start, how should end, where to use double quotes, where to use curly brackets. Okay, so like certain rules will be there, some basic syntax rule for C program. Okay, so following are the rules. Okay, so few rules have given, there are many rules. C is case sensitive language, all the instruction must be written in lowercase letters. So see printf examples. Okay, just now I mentioned everything should be in lowercase letters, whatever you are using, variable, declaration, statement, header files, all the street must be end with semicolon. Every line should end with a semicolon in main. Okay, wherever you want to end the line, put the semicolon. Next, white space is required between keyword and identifier. Okay, variable declarations, int x, float y. Float means decimal numbers 1.5, 2.5. Int means only integer 20, 30, 40 like. So int space x, white space means one space, space bar can be used for white space. Every program should contain main method, main function. Okay, it is compulsory, mandatory use main in every program. You observe 3 programs, you can find main compulsory. Every separate should have a pair. So how many open are there, that many closes should be there. Okay, this is a rule. Okay, header files must be used at the first section, main function must be there, single line comment you can write with // semicolon after each statement, program enclosed within curly braces. Okay, so example, okay, lowercase letters, semicolons, right, braces, like rules have been implemented. Next, C character set. So this topic is over. Next topic, so while writing the program, okay, what we have to use in programming, however use English. So like every language, Telugu, Hindi, English, okay, alphabet will be there, alphabet, a set of symbols. So C also may include set of symbols. What are there? Alphabet, digits, special symbols. Okay, alphabet means what we can use small a to z, and sometimes we could use capital also. Okay, 99% lowercase, 1% capital we can use. Okay, so both letters are valid in the program. Digits 0 to 9, 10 digits we can use, and all the symbols wherever it is necessary we can use all the symbols. Hash include, we are using curly braces, round brackets. Okay, so more operators, more symbols will be using in the future. Okay, so this is small question, C character set, short bit. Okay, programming rules also short bit. Those 2 questions are covered. Okay, so you don't worry, just you see how the program is going on and just try to understand all the thing. Again we'll learn how to declare variables, what is char, what is int, okay, what is function, how to write the function, rules for function. Okay, everything we'll be learning in the coming topics. Okay, after this we have tokens topic, tokens, constants, data types. Okay, data types, int, float, these are the data types. Okay, that percentage d, percentage f also will be discussing. Okay, more 3 topics are there in the first unit. After the end of the first unit we can write the programs, no problem, we could write the programs easily. Okay, right, so hope you understand. Okay, so learn is every rule by heart and practice every rule, and whenever you want open the program. Okay, for example, case sensitive, all the see the program, everything is there in small case letters. See the program, observe the program, semicolons are there for every line, white space, okay, is there or not, main method is there or not, how many open braces are there, that many closed brackets are there or not. Okay, so like this we have rules. Okay, kindly observe, and if you have any doubt, no problem, you can ask. And please purchase the textbook also, right? There also you can find the same thing. My notes I will prepare from various sources. Okay, I have old source and textbook data, other textbook data. Okay, please purchase Himalaya Publishers C and C++ programming. Okay, very easy and very useful. Okay, or follow my notes. Better to have the textbook and see which one is easy. You follow my notes or textbook notes. Okay, right, we'll continue with the next topic for today. Okay, this topic is over. Thank you.